Happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day. Happy birthday, America. Woo! Yes. We just went and did some manly American barbecuing today. Had some hamburgers, drank some beer, been all American. Now we're on our way to the our national pastime, baseball. Is there anything more American than barbecuing, hamburgers, baseball, and beer? I don't think so. Maybe guns. I'm actually surprised I didn't shoot today, but I doubt that the shooting range was open. So we're on our way to the, what are they called? The
Chico Outlaws.
The Chico Outlaws game. The Outlaws game. So we'll see you when we're there. So we have such amazing seats for this baseball game. We are literally on the field. And when I say on the field, like our tickets are on the field, I mean there's the foul line. Here's where I am. There's the foul line. We are literally on the field. Strike out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good seats. Outlaws just had an amazing inning. 5 runs. See if I can get the scoreboard. You can't tell, but right there it says 5. Broke my eye. Everyone wants to see that. It's a pretty good inning we had here. Are you gonna take a picture of me vlogging? That's insane. It's just crazy. You can't do that, Brennan. It's crazy. You're crazy. You're out of line. You need to be put down.
What?
Right now the score is like 3-8. Run lead. Yeah, good point. 8-3. Well, I was just reading it said 3 on top and 8 on the bottom. You know what? I'm gonna cut that out. The score is 8-3. Chico lead. Awesome game. And afterwards, it's fireworks. Woo! Delicious. The away team just caught the third out, and this little kid just goes, "Hey, number 10, you suck! Over here, can I have the ball? Over here!" Yeah, kid. Great strategy. Great strategy. Aw. You can't see it, but it says, "Stick around for fireworks." Game over. Oh man, they just shut the scoreboard off. Are we actually allowed to go out on the field for it?
Seems like it.
Interesting. So I want to sit in an actual chair for the fireworks. I'm tired of this lawn.
Yeah, if I was sitting there, I don't know why. Maybe if I was in those stands.
No, man.
Back here, those are primo spots.
Yeah. Whatevs. Look at that. People they're waiting for nothing. They're just moving. I can't get my shoe on.
Did you want to move?
Sure. To where?
I don't know.
Let's go to third base. Just sit on that.
I just don't want the getting in my way.
Sure, no, yeah, we can go wherever you want. Get all of our stuff. Get all of our stuff. So now we're here. The game is over, and we're in the center of this baseball field. As you can see, all around. I'm guessing the fireworks is going to be in this sky here. There. Minus that light. That light is going to be there. The light better not be there. Oh, someone will have to answer to me. I will be very disappointed. Look at all these nice people running around. How fun. How fun of an event. What did you guys do for 4th of July? Tell me in the comments below. Yeah. Oh my God! You just missed the countdown to darkness. Here we go! So today was filled with beer, barbecuing, baseball, and fireworks. Why doesn't fireworks start with a B? Beer, baseball, barbecuing, those are all American things.
Fireworks?
Yeah, but why doesn't fireworks start with a B? That bothers me. Anyways. The concussion of those explosions. Oh my God. God bless America. Oh shit. Oh my God. Holy crap. Ah! Ah!
Do you want to see my screen? In the last like 10
Yeah.
seconds. That's how bright it was.
Oh my God, that's it, the white? Oh my God, that's so cool. Look at more. One little squirt at the end. He's like, oh shit, we got one left over. Wonderful fireworks show here in Chico, California. Excellent. Ah. Happy birthday, America!